Yo, these came out at the right time. These came out at the perfect time. If you follow me, if you follow the channel, tomorrow, October 7th, it's Phoenix, Arizona SneakerCon. And I hope to see y'all there for real, because I will be there. And these came out at the right time because honestly, I know they're women's, but we've gotten two colorways. We've gotten the red and we've gotten the navy blue. And I'm actually on the hunt for the red one, but having seen these in hand now, I do like them. Nothing too crazy, but they are nice. Let's check these out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefer. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, and the reason as to why you clicked on today's video is because I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, the brand of sneaker that we're taking a look at today is from the brand with the swoosh, Nike, like you can see on my shirt right here. And the silhouette that we're taking a look at, you've seen the silhouette many times on the channel. I'm sure if you're watching this, you're probably wearing them right now, or you probably have some of them in your closet. But we're taking a look at a Nike Dunk Low. Nike's been coming out with a whole bunch of colorway for the Nike Dunk Low, and they've decided to kind of give this Dunk Low kind of like an age look. This is a women exclusive, but there were extended sizes, and I'll talk about that as we progress within the video. But the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is the Nike Dunk Low in the vintage Panda. Now, like I said, Nike has rolled out with many colorways, but they've actually this year decided to kind of get fancy, I guess you could say, with the Nike Dunk Low and kind of give it more of like an age look. They've done it with we've gotten a red colorway, we've gotten a navy blue colorway, and now we've gotten a vintage Panda colorway. So with all that said and done right now, I'm about to go ahead and give you guys your kudos, and then from there we're going to be taking a look at these Nike Dunk Low vintage Pandas. Let's get going. Okay, so first and foremost, before I actually go into the review, I just want to say I greatly appreciate you guys' love and support so much. It means literally you have no idea. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe to the channel. That way anytime I drop a video, your mom, your dad, your goldfish, your grandma, everybody can be alerted and notified. And your guys' love and support just really means a lot. Also as well, I try to go ahead and feature you guys into different comments, like you can see right here. So if you want to go ahead and be featured, or your comment be featured, all you got to do at the end of the video, or even during the video, is comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know how you're feeling about the video. I just want to be able to engage with you, and you'll have a chance for your comment to be featured right here, as you can see right now. So thank you guys so much. Also I like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing with, and I usually like to do like with a matching headband. So as you can see right now, I'm wearing the Nike, as you can see right here, the unboxing shirt, and I'm about to go ahead and throw on my headband. We're reviewing the colorway is black and white. I'm gonna throw his headband on, and then we're gonna get right to it right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we had to get that check right. We had to get that swoosh, black with that white swoosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get straight away into these. So where I went ahead and got these from was I was able to go ahead and get exclusive access over on the sneakers app, like I want to say maybe 2 days ago. And it's funny enough because I've actually seen these drop. These actually did drop, I want to say maybe a month ago, 2 months back. I entered for them, I wasn't able to get them. They are women's exclusive, however though, they had extended sizes, so it's kind of funny how Nike does that, you know, like, oh, it's women's exclusive, but like I said, you know, they have extended sizes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my knife right here. Retail price was $125 right now. I even went ahead and looked on the aftermarket. They're only going for like maybe $20 above, so if you are interested in them, go check that out. I'll leave a link where you can find that out in the description, and you can check it out. So let's go ahead and unbox these babies right here. Like I said, we already did go ahead and get a red color blocking. We also did go ahead and get a blue one. I'm actually on the hunt for the blue one. SneakerCon is actually this week. It's actually tomorrow for me for Phoenix, Arizona. So if you live in that area, if you're going to that and you see me, say what's up. But I'm on the hunt for those, seriously. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Put that box right here. As you can see, nothing special, nothing fancy. You got your regular, normal Nike Dunk box right here. You got the white text right there, Nike, and then your all red box right there. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around. That way you guys can kind of see all angles a little bit. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and go straight into reading it. So right here it does read W, which is Women's Nike Dunk Low Premium, PRM. We got white, black, coconut milk, and I did go ahead and get a size 12, which is you do your size conversions in men, that is a 10.5. Now when it comes to Nike Dunk Lows, I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys are pretty good familiarized with your true to size, but if you're not, just go usually the same size you are in Air Force Ones. You can literally go to the store, try on some Air Force Ones, and then from there get your sizes. Go that same size, and when it comes to dunks, I will do the exact same thing. And then because obviously they are women's, and if you don't know your size, literally just do the size conversions and you'll be perfectly fine. So the SKU code does read as well, FQ8899100. Let's go ahead and actually turn that for you guys so you can see right there. And without further ado, let's check out these vintage Pandas. So literally, from what I've seen, there's no different from the regular Panda, just more of this is kind of like a gloss look. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's open this right now. As you can see, regular tissue paper, all white. Let's go ahead and actually peel it back for you guys. 3, 2, and the 1. Oh, okay. Okay. So here is the Nike Dunk Vintage Panda right here. As you can see, it's kind of hard. I know the ring light's making the light kind of bounce on them right here, but they're not bad. They're clean. They look just like a regular pair of Pandas, but I do see where the premium leather is on that, and they kind of, oh, they have sail laces. Okay, let me go ahead and get the other one for you guys out, and let's go ahead and talk about it. Boom, here we go right here. This is the Nike Women's Dunk Low Retro in the vintage Panda. I honestly gotta admit, like, they're honestly clean. I mean, you can't go wrong with the Panda Dunk, honestly, especially in a white and black. I honestly feel the Panda Dunk has just excelled when it comes to just footwear for for today's sneaker community. But here we go right there. We're gonna actually go ahead and go straight into reviewing these. Do I want to do the left? Do I want to do the right? I kind of feel like the left low-key is hitting hard, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. So let's go ahead and start with the outsole. Like I said, just like your regular Nike Dunk Low Panda, you got your all black outsole right there, then you have your Nike text right in the middle of that, coming up to the midsole. Now it gets a little interesting, just a teeny bit. You kind of, Nike decide to go ahead and give it like a sail, kind of like a, you know, an aged midsole look right there. I know Nike's been doing that a lot with a lot of the sneakers that have come out. Some of the Air Force, some of the Air Jordan 1s, some of the other sneakerways that's come out as well. And then you come up to the side panels right there. You can hit with your black, you can hit with your swoosh. Now, if you look at that, the swoosh is kind of hard to tell because I know the ring light's kind of making it bounce, but that's where the premium leather comes in. It kind of gave it like a glossy type of look right there. You see where it kind of goes over the panels all right there. So that's the main difference they came versus the regular Panda Dunk. As we go box, you get your regular toe box right there, nice and plush. Then as you come up, I know it's a little hard to see, but your laces are coconut, kind of like that sail kind of lace. I kind of do like that. And then from there, when you come up as well, you do go ahead and you get your tongue, you get your black logo right there. As we come inside, let's take out the shoe tree, and then you come inside, as you see right here, your boy is showing y'all, you get your Nike swoosh right in there. And then is there anything different? And you just get more text right there. So here we go right here, the Nike Dunk Low Vintage Panda. These are honestly, they're clean, nothing really extravagant from like the original Pandas. Honestly, my personal take is if you have the Panda Dunk already and you're looking at these, you really don't need them. But if you're just like a sneakerhead like mine, you want to, you know, you like to collecting, then you know what? Why pick them up? They're $125, so after tax and everything was like $130. Aftermarket, if you go on, they're going for maybe $145, $150. Not too bad, but like I said, if you just feel the need that you got to go ahead and pick these up, or you want to pick them up, definitely go ahead. But these are honestly nice. I do like them. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the Nike Dunk Low Women's Vintage Panda. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just really quick, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a comparison, that way you guys can see it. So here's the vintage Panda, and then here are my regular Pandas right here. They're a little beat, but you know, and it's all good. I wear my kicks. So as you can see right here, the regular versus the vintage, more of a glow, more of a premiumness to it, and then more of your regular. Honestly though, I'm gonna be honest, there's really no significant difference. Only thing is, like, besides that, it's just really the age look, and you get sail laces with this one, just the black. But I honestly kind of feel like the original is a little bit better, to be honest, but I do like these as well. So like I said, there was a comparison. Let me know what you think about these. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been the review over the Nike Dunk Low Vintage Panda. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm gonna break away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I just want to give you guys a closer perspective over the vintage Pandas. That way, if you're on the fence of buying it, if you know you're looking at, you're on GOAT, you go into sneaker cons and you're like, I see it, and you want to pull the trigger, well, this video will help you with assisting with doing so. So here we go, right here, looking at the Nike Dunk Low Vintage Panda. Like I said, honestly, truly, if you have the original Pandas, you're not missing out on anything with these. Just a matter of really, if you just want to collect it, this is just kind of like Nike really just going ahead and just trying to milk out the Panda Dunks, because not like they already have so many, right? But like I said, only thing different, you do get premium leather, you do get sail laces, and when you look at the midsole is a little bit more of a sail coconut age look, which I do think is nice. But like I said, truthfully, you're not really missing out on anything too extravagant when it comes to these. So if you really are interested in them and you do want to grab them, let me know, and let me know all your opinions down below, because it greatly does mean a lot. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is going to conclude today's video. I greatly do appreciate you guys so much for pulling up to the channel. It greatly means so much to me, like seriously, no exaggeration. If you did like today's video, definitely leave it a like, comment. Also remember, go ahead and leave those comments, that way you can be featured in some of the featured comments for the video. And like always, remember, there's only ever going to be one you. Let me know. I'm on the hunt for the red and the blue pair. I will be at SneakerCon tomorrow, so hopefully I can get this video out today so you guys can throw it up. And I will be over at Phoenix, Arizona. So if you are gonna be there, you see me, or if you wanted to say what's up, hey, what's good? I definitely will want to be able to see more people. I'll be there trying to buy stuff, trying to sell stuff, you know, the good old usual thing as well. So with that said, like I said, Nike Dunk Low Vintage Panda. Let me know what your guys' comments are below. And with that said, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Jim.